To understand the United States player rating system, the Mysore United player is a players club to evaluate and categories based on the rating given by critics. The number of critics varies from 2 to 3 every month. The each provides critics provides a rating for a player and determines the player average rating and assigns a category accordingly. Steps to implement: defining the player rating lists includes attributes for the player's name and scores from critics. Implement method to calculate average rating. Method to determine category of the player. To, to define the tester class, create an instance of player rating. Call methods to calculate average rating and determine the category. Displays the result. Class explain about the program. Class name is player rating. Private player rating. Player class player rating. Private string of player name. Private double of rating 1, rating 2 and rating 3. Private integer of number of critics. Public player rating. Parameterized constructor using string of player name, double of rating 1 and double of rating 2. Uses this keyword. This keyword dot player name is equal to player name. This dot rating 1 is equal to rating 1. This rating 2 is equal to rating 2. This number of critics is equal to 2. And then another publicly derived the player rating. String player name, double rating 1, double rating 2, double rating 3. Uses the parametric constructor once again. This player name, this keyword uses this keyword. This player name is equal to player name. This keyword, this rating 1 is equal to rating 1, and then this dot rating 2 is equal to rating 2. This rating 3 is equal to rating 3. This number of critics equal to 3. First you explain about the number of critics equal to true, and then this critics have 3 months. As publicly calculate average calculating. If calculating the if condition, number of critics equal to then 2, to satisfy the condition, return rating 1 plus rating 2 divided by 2, else return rating 1 plus rating 2 plus rating 3 divided by 3. Close the parenthesis, close the condition and close the double of calculate average rating class. Public string determine category. Double of average rating is equal to calculate average rating method. If average rating greater than equal to 8, if we return star player. Else if condition used average rating greater than equal to 5, we return average player. Else return below average player. Close the condition. Next about the display player details. Void public display player details. System dot out get the player name and get the average rating from the user and get the category from the user. And next about the classes. Main class name is tester. Public class tester. Public static void main string args. Player rating is equal to player rating space player 1. To create a object, new player rating is equal to Rahul 7.5 8.0. Player 1 to object dot player 1 dot display player details. System dot out print the details. Player rating. To create a second object of player 2 is equal to new player rating Ajay 6.0 5.5 7.0. Player 2 dot display player details. To print the result, player rating To create the third object of player 3 is equal to new player rating of Vikram 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, and player 3 dot display player details, close the class, close the main function. Explanation. Class structure. Player rating has attribute for storing player names and ratings from critics. Two constructed to handle cases where two or three critics has. Calculate average rating computes the average method on the critics. Determine category assigns the player's category based on the computer languages. Display player details prints the player's details. Tester class create multiple player objects. Calls the method to calculate rating and determine categories, and then finally displays the result. Sample output player name Rahul, average rating 7.75, category average player, and the next player name is Ajay, average rating is equal to 6.17, category have average player. Vikram, player name is Vikram, average rating 4.0, category below average player. Key takens encapsulation. The class keeps player details private and provides method for calculation. Method overloading. Used constructor to handle different number of critics. Used in this program have used different number of critics to handle constructor. Molecular code. Methods are separate for calculating average and determining the category. This implementation efficiently determines players' rating and categories while ensuring flexibility for varying critics counts. That's all.